My cap. Where did I put...
Hi, Mogu. Have you lost something?
My postman's cap. I thought I left it on this stone, but it's not there.
Maybe you put it somewhere else and you don't remember.
I'm sure I put it right there, but maybe you're right.
If we all look, I'm sure we can find it.
It's not under here.
No cap under the leaves. Look, feathers.
Black and white feathers. Magpie feathers.
What are you thinking, Mogu?
Forest folks say that magpies love shiny things.
I don't understand. I do. The badge on Mogu's cap is very shiny. Oh, so you think a magpie might have taken the cap?
Yes, because of the shiny badge.
So we have to find the magpie. How do we do that? We need something else shiny to attract her attention. Oh, like this.
Brilliant, Mofy. You hold the mirror so it catches the sun's rays, and we'll search the forest.
Oh, what's that bright light?
Is that you, Carrie?
Yes, your light dazzled me.
Carrie, can you help us?
We are searching for my postman's cap.
We think a magpie's taken it.
A magpie? Of course I'll help you.
Follow the shiny mirror. Wow! What a beautiful shiny mirror! Please, can I have it? It's so beautiful. It could be a shiny present. Or I could just borrow it for a week or 2 or 3 or 4, or maybe never give it back, or I could give it back. I don't know. Please, please. I can't resist anything shiny.
Like the badge on my cap?
Your cap?
My cap is missing.
I did find a cap. Oh, it's such a bright, shiny badge. Just lying on a stone. Could it be yours?
Yes, it could.
I am so sorry. I didn't know it was yours. Follow me.
Wow.
Oh, my.
So many
This is
shiny
amazing.
things.
With my cap on top.
Okay, you can have it back.
Back where it belongs. Up here on my head.
It is a beautiful collection, but you should be more careful not to take other people's things, even if they are shiny. I'll try to be more careful next time. I don't want to upset anybody.
It's okay. Mogu has his cap back, and you found new friends, right?
Right! Hello, Moon. Do you know what happened to Mogu's cap today?
Yes, Mofy. Magpie collected Mogu's hat.
Mogu thought he'd lost it.
The magpie didn't realize it was his, Mofy. I'm sure she will be much more careful in the future.
You're right, Moon. Good night.
The wind is blowing my ears and my... Whoa! This wind! Wait, look, Mofy. It's a piece of music.
Oh, really? Music? On a piece of paper?
Sure, Mofy. Music can be written down. If you hold it, I'll try to read it and play it for you. What a cool melody. Whoever wrote it is a really talented composer.
It's beautiful. I wish we knew who the composer was.
Hey, let's go find him.
How?
If we search the forest, maybe somebody will recognize the tune. Do you hear that?
Yes, it's somebody singing.
Let's go check it out. Bravo! Great performance.
Thank you very much.
Can we ask you a question? Do you know who wrote this music?
Fantastic!
How original!
Brilliant!
But we don't know the composer. The tam-tam may know it.
They're woodpecker percussionists who live out past that hill.
Hello, friends. Hi. Wow, you guys are good.
We came to ask you something.
Please go right ahead. Do you know the composer of this music? It's cool.
Incredible.
This is the bomb.
We don't know them, but man, we would love to meet them. They're a genius.
We've been searching for hours, Carrie. I don't think we're ever going to find the composer.
Wait, do you hear what I hear?
Yes!
Yoo-hoo! Who's playing in there? Yeah, oh, hello? Yay! We found you! You're the composer of this amazing music. Oh, you found it. It blew away. I was just playing it by heart. Thanks for the compliment, but my music is nothing special.
Nothing special. It's beautiful. We think it's very special.
Oh, there are lots of birds better than me. I'm a musician too, and trust me, this is brilliant. Do you really think so? I know so. It's such a waste of great music to have it stuck in a tree trunk. Yoo-hoo! Are you the author of that amazing music?
Hey, tomorrow we're playing a gig with our band. Would you like to join us?
Well, I don't know. Hey, this is your big chance. Take a deep breath and go for it, little bird. Yay!
Guess what, Moon? Today I met a little bird with a big talent. But he was so shy, he felt too embarrassed to sing.
Did he find the courage to do it?
Yes, he even joined the woodpeckers. They sounded great together.
Good for him. He's young. He's just starting to learn to feel confident.
It's true. Good night, Moon.
Some words have to be used very carefully. Otherwise, you can upset people.
What do you mean, Owl?
Well, Mofy, it's very rude to call a friend a fool or lazybones. They wouldn't like it, would they?
Fool. I call Sue forgetful. All the time. Is that rude?
No, Lee. Sue is forgetful.
I don't think I ever say rude words. Nor me. Not fool or lazybones or silly Billy.
I heard my daddy say dumb.
Sometimes grown-ups say words they don't want children to hear.
Lazybones, fool, silly Billy.
Wouldn't you
later.
say
Bye, everybody. Bye, everybody.
Bye, Mouse. See you later.
Bye, Sue.
Silly Billy. Oh, silly Billy. You're the silly Billy.
But,
Oh.
Hi, Mogu. Are you coming to Carrie's for tea tomorrow?
I'm a bit busy today, but tomorrow should be fine.
See you then. Bye.
Bye, Mofy.
Lazybones.
Oh, Mogu, that's not nice. Calling me a lazy bones.
But, Mofy, it wasn't me.
hi, Sora. Are you going home from school?
Yes, we've just finished.
How is school now?
It's much better, thank you. I have to go now, Carrie. Bye.
Bye, Sora.
Silly Billy.
Carrie, I am not Billy, and I am not silly.
Sora, I didn't say you were. Honestly.
Who was it then?
What's the matter, Mofy?
Moon, do you think I'm a lazy bones?
Of course not.
Mogu said I was.
Surely not. There must be some mistake. I can't believe Mogu would say something like that. Talk to him tomorrow, Mofy. I'm sure you can sort it out.
I will, Moon. Thank you.
Mofy! Mofy!
Hello, Mogu.
Mofy, you know how you thought I called you lazybones yesterday? It wasn't me, and the same thing happened between Carrie and Sora. So, we're going to meet at the playground to work out what's going on. Let's go.
My friends, something odd is happening. Sora thought I called her Silly Billy, but it wasn't me.
And someone called me Lazy Bones. I thought it was Mogu, but it wasn't.
Someone is having great fun teasing us.
Who would be so naughty, Carrie?
Naughty, naughty. Lazy Bones. Naughty Carrie. Lazy Bones, Lazy Bones. Silly Billy. Lazy Bones. Naughty, naughty.
Don't call me names.
Don't call me names.
Oh, it's a parrot. He's been calling us names because parrots love to repeat the words they hear.
It's just a parrot.
A parrot.
Mr. Parrot, maybe you'll join in my song. Mr. Parrot, what have you done?
Done.
You made trouble for everyone.
Everyone.
You said fool and silly Billy,
Billy, Billy.
making mischief willy-nilly.
Willy-nilly.
Now it's time to close your beak. Shut it tight and please don't speak.
Don't speak. Caw, caw.
Oh no, it's the crow. I must tell Mofy.
Caw, caw.
Carrie, there are so many juicy cherries.
There's plenty for everyone.
Mogu, what's the matter?
Oh, you look like you've seen a lion.
Crow! Big, black crow!
You've seen a crow?
Big crow!
Black and big, black and big. No, big and black, big and black.
What was it?
You say it.
I don't remember.
Was it a crow?
Crow, that's it.
Wow.
Look at those cherries. Do crows like cherries?
They love cherries.
If the crow finds the cherries, he will eat them all up.
How can we stop him?
With a scarecrow.
What's a scarecrow?
I'll show you. Mofy and Mogu, find some big sticks.
Big sticks!
Lee and Sue, fetch the biggest pumpkin you can find. Pumpkin. And I'll get the rest.
One more stick.
There's a good one.
Oh, it's heavy.
I hope it's big enough.
It's as big as me.
And me.
Where's Carrie? Someone is coming.
Pumpkin.
Big pumpkin.
Where's Carrie? Here I am.
Are you making the scarecrow?
Yes,
Will it be very scary?
It hasn't got a head.
that's what the pumpkin is for.
It might be very scary.
Ah!
Will it scare the crow?
It scared all of us.
Caw, caw.
The crow!
Is it scared?
No.
He's going to eat the cherries.
Caw.
Excuse me, do you know whose cherries these are?
They're everybody's cherries.
We were going to share them.
I love cherries. Could I share two, please?
We thought you wanted to eat them all.
Of course not. These cherries are not mine.
Have you seen the scarecrow?
Yes, I have. Did you mean to scare me?
Yes, we didn't know you were a friend.
Just because I look a bit scary doesn't mean I'm not kind.
You're our favorite crow.
You're holding your cherry very tight, Mofy. Do you think Crow will steal it?
Crow only looks scary. He's very friendly and only wants to share.
Crow can't help how he looks. What's important is what's in his heart.
You're right, Moon. You're always right.